Okay, we are checking out the 2023 Grand Design Solitude 310GK. We're going to see what the major differences are and do we want to switch and get a new one? Let's check it out.
Hey, baby.
Okay, one of the major differences, we do have a little bit of a lighter color. They do still have a little box around their windows, but it doesn't stick out as much, so that is nice. These shades are definitely nicer than ours. I can tell that. The couch is definitely different material. And look, they even put cup holders on these end ones, which we don't have. Looks like they have little cubbies. Is that a cubby? Yep, that's a little cubby hole, which is nice. It's got a cubby hole here, another cubby hole here. Okay, of course, no carpet. You have your standard over here. Now, this is one of the things I complained about before. This window actually opens, which ours doesn't in our 2017. Does not look like this one opens, which I still think a kitchen window should open, and it doesn't. Let's check out the pantry.
Pretty much the same.
Pretty much the same. But it does look like they actually have lights going all the way through at least, which they used to not.
This looks like a residential fridge in here.
We can open this baby up.
Yeah. Definitely. Oh, it's got a little.
It's got a little lock on
yeah,
it.
That's fine. Yeah, there you go. Pull it off. There's the
fridge. Oh, the freezer's on the bottom.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Open up that freezer. I'm kind of curious.
Oh, that locks tight, hon.
Yeah.
That is a nice solid. Okay, how do you, I guess you pull here. Oh. So we got that.
Okay,
they actually have heights in here.
Wow, look at that.
Nice.
Fancy.
Okay. Garbage is pretty much the same.
It's the exact same as ours.
Okay, we're going to pull these off.
It's a nice sink.
I actually like how it does this. It gives you lots of room.
Yeah.
It's nice and high up, so that's nice.
That's cool.
It says dishwasher prep. Do they have a dishwasher? No, it's not here.
Did you look at the microwave yet?
Let's look in here. These are the same drawers we had.
Yeah, same drawers.
Same drawers as our 2017, so just look at the 2017 video. And these are same drawers. I do like that there no longer is this big lip that sticks out.
Yeah, and the way that they, with the wood floors.
The wood floor, it blends in. You barely even see that.
Yeah, that's nice.
What's also nice about that, you don't have that problem where stuff gets under the slide.
Yeah, for sure.
That is probably the best thing that they've done is add that.
Yeah, because they have that on both sides.
Yeah, that is nice.
These are all the same.
Pretty much the rest of it's, but you know what?
They got rid of the frosted
glass is gone. It's about time.
Yeah, look at that, eh?
Yeah.
Okay,
nice in here.
Yeah, nice.
It's gone. Let's go up to the bathroom. Feels about the same. Still has this, you got to show this ridiculous closet that they need to learn to do something with.
Yeah. Look at this fancy shower. I don't like these new
I don't
showers.
like these because water pressure is bad enough at campgrounds.
That's great if you're hooked up all the time.
Yeah. But I do like that there's not a bunch of shelves because that gets dirty easy. This is actually a pretty decent sized sink.
Yeah,
this isn't bad.
I still like our whatchamacallit.
That's pretty much the same.
That's all the same.
Okay, let's check out the bedroom. Okay, we do not have the little hideaway thing, but that's okay.
We got the 6 drawers like ours.
6
does.
drawers. Let
TV
me see how much
above.
the windows
That's
open.
the same.
See, the windows still don't open. Oh.
About the same.
Yeah, about the same.
Amount.
About the same.
That hasn't really changed. The
No.
closet itself.
Closet is different. This is definitely different because there are shelves on this side, which we don't have.
Right.
They still curve it like this, which they don't need to do. You lose space.
Right.
I don't think we have a lip like that in ours. Okay, let's look at the extra other closet. That is where
obviously prepped for washer.
Yeah, prep for washer. That's kind of the same. This is pretty much the same.
Yeah, I've got the window above the bed. You got the 2 windows on the side. But look at the framing on the window. They did this weird.
Yeah, no, that's the same as in the other room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
And this is obviously a king size bed. That's why this is like
over top where you
Yeah,
sleep.
which I whack my head on that all the time.
Actually, I do like these new window framing.
Yeah, I like those window frames better than ours.
Yeah, ours suck compared to this. Yeah. That's good. Maybe we could just replace it with something like that. Never thought of that. Oh, look at this with the fancy display panel now. This is new.
But we can't turn it on, so.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, you can. Oh, okay.
Oh, so this does the slides.
Oh, you can do it from here?
Look at it. It's all on.
I know, but can you still do it if that messes
All
up?
off.
On?
And then all on.
Oh, there we go. There's the all on. I do like that.
Yeah, that's
That
pretty
is
cool.
nice.
So we see if we know how to use this. Lighting, awning.
The buttons for the Max Air here instead of
Yeah,
trying to reach
that
under
makes
here,
a
which is
whole lot
nice.
more sense.
Now, why are these two
Must
here?
have 3 air conditioners. Let's see. See if it has one here too.
Oh, there's 2 right in here?
Yeah, there's 2
Why
in
do
here.
you need 2 in this room?
Because
It's still only 35 feet, right?
yeah. So we got the 2 air conditioners right here in the living room. Pretty fancy.
Yeah.
You can also see if there's a chair.
146. This is 146, but 117. 117. Okay. Well, can't really see much here, can you? It'll fall in the water. This is fancy. I would love to have this MoRide independent suspension system with disc brakes on R310GK, but I got a quote from MoRide, $9 grand. Make sure you check out the Grand Design website for all the specs and optional equipment packages that are available.